Something big is happening, right now, under the radar. A small group of people is quietly tapping into a new AI-powered money machine that's reshaping the way wealth is created. They're not working insane hours. And they're definitely not following outdated financial advice. Instead, they're using automation, artificial intelligence, and digital leverage to make money in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. So, what is this AI money machine? And more importantly, how can you use it before the masses catch on? For decades, making money online required a ton of effort. Writing blogs, making YouTube videos, running e-commerce stores, all of it took time, energy, and skill. AI does the heavy lifting. We're living in a time where AI writes entire books, blogs, and sales pages in minutes. AI generates logos, videos, and ad creatives instantly. AI automates customer service, social media, and even business models. What used to take hours, or even weeks, can now be done in a few clicks. And those who learn how to monetize this AI wave will be the ones who quietly get rich while everyone else struggles to catch up. Not all AI money-making methods are equal. Some take time to build, while others start earning almost immediately. AI-generated YouTube channels create faceless, automated videos that rake in ad revenue without ever showing your face. AI-powered digital products sell ebooks, guides, and online courses made with AI, and sell them on autopilot. AI-driven marketing and consulting use AI to create logos, ad copy, and websites, then charge clients for it. AI stock trading and automation leverage AI bots that analyze market trends and execute trades. AI-powered print-on-demand stores let AI design t-shirts, mugs, and posters that sell 24/7. Each of these costs little to nothing to start, but once set up, they can generate income without daily effort. Step 2. Automate the income flow. The real money isn't just in using AI. It's in automating the process so it works while you sleep. Here's how the rich structure their AI-powered income streams. AI creates the product. AI writes the book, generates the designs, or builds the content. AI markets the product. AI tools handle email marketing, SEO, and ad management. With the right setup, this system runs 100% on autopilot, allowing you to scale your income without working extra hours. Most people think they need big money to grow a business. But AI is making it easier than ever to scale without spending thousands. Here's how. AI-powered social media growth. AI automates content posting and engagement. AI-generated video clips repurpose AI-created content into TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. AI-powered email and chatbots automate sales and customer interactions 24/7. Even though this AI wealth system is right in front of us, most people will ignore it. They think AI is just hype. They don't realize how fast it's replacing old money-making methods. They wait for the perfect moment instead of getting started today. They assume it's complicated. But in reality, AI tools make things simpler, not harder. The truth is, this AI money machine is changing everything, and it's happening whether people pay attention or not. Will you be left behind? Right now, you have two choices. You can ignore this AI revolution and keep grinding at a 9-5, hoping things will get better, or you can tap into the AI wealth machine today and start building passive income while the rest of the world plays catch-up. The choice is yours. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.